Today, as a breakout tech, I am mostly taking care of making sure that rooms are set ahead of time for this group that's primarily going to be going tomorrow. We do have a few sessions today that have already started, so my role is going to involve stopping by and checking in with not only the main client of the group, but also the presenters for each of the rooms to make sure they're as comfortable as possible. But I'm also spending a lot of time making sure that all of the rooms going the rest of the week are going to be set up for success, and that any future presenters that come in are going to be able to basically plug in their equipment and start their meeting from there. Occasionally, I may have to meet with the main client to answer any questions they have or make small adjustments to those rooms that we're setting ahead of time. But in general, if I had to sum it up in one sentence, it would just involve setting up every room for success, whether that means making sure everything is taped down and very presentable in each of the rooms for the clients that are going the rest of this week, or meeting with a presenter or a client face-to-face to make sure that their meeting that's about to start is going to go as smoothly as possible.